Hello friends, let us see another example. A 4-meter wide strip footing, okay, strip footing is given, that means no need to apply some corrections. Shape corrections is founded at a depth of 1.5 meter below the ground surface, okay. In a C5 soil as shown in the figure, okay, the water table is at a depth of 5.5 meter below the ground surface. Now tell me, will it have any effect on the bearing capacity? Will it have or not? From here to here, what should be your water table such that there will not be an effect? 4 meter, right? From here to here 1.5, from here total is 5.5. So from here to here is nothing but a 4 meter. That means your water table is at a depth of 4 meter. That means it won't have any effect on the water table. Fine. C value is given, phi value is given, saturation is given, bulk is given, fine, gamma W also given. So the values of the bearing capacity is given as this much. So what they're asking us to find the using Tarjagi's bearing capacity equation and a factor of safety. So they're asking us to find the QNS value. And see this term. They're asking us to find the in local shear failure. As of now, we already know how we have to find out the net safe bearing capacity. But if it is a Tarjagi is considered that failure will happen because of the general shear failure. But in the question, we have to find out if your soil is failed by the local shear failure, then what is the net safe bearing capacity? If you remember, while discussing theory, if any soil is failing by local shear, then we have considered that your new cohesion, we have to consider it as a 2 by 3rd of C. Your new angle of friction, that is nothing but a tan phi m, that will be considered as a 2/3 of tan phi. So what is the C value is given? 35. If you substitute here, then you will get mobilized cohesion, that you will get it as around 23.33. So if you substitute phi value is given as almost 28.63. If you substitute, you will get it as a mobilized angular friction, you will get it as a 20. So you will be in a hurry so much that you will take an average value and then you are going to find out. But as it is failed by the local shear failure, you have to consider the phi value that is corresponding to the 20 degrees. So that means whatever your NC value, NC you have to consider it as a 7.7, NQ you have to consider it as a 7.4, and gamma you have to consider it as a 5. I think hope you already know, as it is a strip failure, no need to apply the shape factors. So what will be the net ultimate capacity equation? That is nothing but a CNC plus gamma D NQ plus of into gamma into B into N gamma. We know all the values, substitute in this equation. Then if you multiply the proper value, then you will get this value is around 298.48 kilonewton per meter square. And already we have solved. As of now, we have seen so many questions. Only the thing is that you should strike in your mind that as the soil is failed by the local shear failure, we have to apply, or first we have to find out the mobilized cohesion, and also we have to find out the mobilized angle of friction. So if you can remember this, then you can end up with the correct answer, right? Thank you. So normally what people will do, by saying net safe bearing capacity, we know how to find net bearing capacity and then we'll start doing the formula. But see the every word what they will give in the question. Then only we will not lose the marks even though we know the topic, right? Thank you.